Okay, so now it's recording. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do now is we already have the main menu over there. Then we want to connect all those information tadi tu to the main menu, right? So if they don't want to, we put in the main menu. If they go the end of the conversation about autism tu, we want to bring them to a call to action punya block. Alright, so let's go one by one again at the number 5. All the finish number 5s. So number 5 over here, subscribe to sequence. This is the sequence for child and others. We have not created it yet, which is okay. We'll do it later. We go all the way down. Yes, no, yes, good. Done. So we dah complete. And then kat sini done. So here is subscribe to sequence. Sequence is a not sure of the sequence. Later on we'll do. We're looking for yang kat bawah ni. It's done. Good. So diagnose, yes. So here is what we're looking for. Child SD. Here, subscribe to the sequence. Yes, SD1. Oh, it's not SD1. This is where we're looking for add others. Add others, great, watch video, da 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 da. After they've already watched a video, we want them to call to action. So we go to CTA buttons. Okay, there's 2 CTA buttons or CTA quick reply. Now let's take a look at why we want to do that. It's because now we know they've already gone to the questionnaire. They've already gone to article or video. Betul? Okay. So, what if they didn't finish? So we want to, no matter what happens, as long as they've landed on those two blocks, and as long as these 2 things happen, we want to put them in another sequence to get them to the next stage to subscribe. Okay, no matter what happens, we want that to happen. So let's create that. Just a quick one. Okay, so I go down here, add a sequence. Okay, and this sequence is to get to subscribe, because that's the next stage, kan? Subscribe. So we were at, it's now engaging. Now we want them to get to subscribe. So get to subscribe is prospect opt-in to receive tips. That's what we want. Okay. So have we got them to do that yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Do you think in our communication earlier too, we could get them already straight to get them to subscribe?
Yeah, I think
We can, kan? So I think, what if in the asking of kat sini ni, child DS ni, right? It says here, would you like to see how? And then in the DS ni, why not in each one of these we already asked them kat sini, would you like us to send more info? Or would you like us to assume terus, tak we need to ask. So they're already watching this, results of this, and then instead of straight away go to call to action, why don't we ask them to subscribe? Would you like to subscribe?
Yeah, subscribe.
Kan? Okay.
So they can get back to them from time to time, kan?
Yes, so we'll ask results. Okay, great. So we had, instead of CTA to something, we go CTA to subscribe. Let's do that. Okay. So if it goes to blog, let's create another blog over here. Here is get them subscribe. Okay, good. So what do we want to say to get them to subscribe? Would you like to? Would you like us to send you tips? No, send you other success stories. Success stories of diagnosis of autism, of
They're all of, the one that's been depicted.
yeah,
Initially.
would you like to send that? And then we just put here, yes please, yes please. Then, so this one would be to, now only we subscribe them. Now only we subscribe. So we just send them to another blog called get them subscribed to. yes please. Here we go to get dash them subscribe to. Yep, create that. What say no? No thanks. Okay, no problem. No thanks. We send them to a CTA, right? CTA buttons. Great. Okay. So that means each and after every of these, we send them to get them subscribed. Okay. Go back here. Go back to kat bawah ni, instead of CTA buttons, we get them subscribed. Make sense?
So from get them subscribed to, do they go into CTA? No.
Yeah. So let's do that.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna do that.
So subscribe first, then we get them to CTA.
Yes. Would you like to see an awesome video? This one, no thanks. This one will get them to CTA. Kalau no thanks, you go to them to main CTA lah. CTA buttons. Good. CPU1. Okay. Over down here. Would you like to see an awesome video? Yes, this one would be a CTA. Kalau tak nak, pergi CTA. Lalu kan? Always send them to CTA because that's where you get them to make an appointment. Okay, over here. So now this is just results like this is what often therapy treatment prenatal. So we want to send them to this. This is what we always get. Now we want to get them to subscribe, right? Get them subscribe. Great. Alright, so they say great, here's some info, here's whatever, here's the great stuff, here's the video, great. And then results like this is what we often see. Would you like to get more? So get them subscribed. Great. And then
so at this point they don't have an option lah, whether to go to CTA straight or they will just automatically get subscribed lah.
Right now it's straight away to the get them subscribed in your blog, because this is where we ask them
whether they
want to be subscribed or not. So we want them to get subscribed. If they don't, then they go to the CTA button, right? So okay, we're back here at autism. Because if they don't want, means they're not interested. We don't want to send them to Eliza, and they're not interested. Okay, same over here. Get them subscribed. CP2. Okay, just now they said yes, I want more info. Okay, get them subscribed. Right? And they get them subscribed, and they'll always ask, okay, would you like us to send you other awesome success stories? The stories of, right, okay, and then if they say yes, so we put here, would you like to say yes? Then success, right? So success is what? So we're going to put the success. What is the success? So that means stage 2, subscribe. So how do we write that? What would you write to know? So we know the value will be yes, because they've already reached here. We've done this, right? So how would you want to tell the bot that is done? So what would you write? So if this is yes, what was the name that you want to put?
Put that something accomplished.
Great, okay. Subscribe stage. They just put that stage complete. Let's do that. I like that. I like that. So this is subscribe stage complete. Good job. Okay. So instead of yes, it's complete, huh?
Yeah.
Complete. Here is subscribe. Subscribe stage complete. Awesome. So we know if they subscribe stage complete, that stage is complete, but we want to tell them something, right?
Yeah.
So let's remind ourselves again, what was it that they saw? So would you like us to send you other awesome stories like this of whatever that you could
Yeah.
and then yes please. Once say yes please, and then the first thing you want to say is of course fantastic. You want to always reply macam manusia, right? Fantastic, and then we put satu line, satu saat, and then tell them what to expect. You'll receive stories like this, once a week, and then we put another one over here, another here. So in the meantime, what do we want to do? In the meantime, what do we want them to do? So we've already done this stage. We want them to convert. So how do we want them to convert? Convert to what first? Convert to an appointment?
Yeah, I think we can't convert to appointment, but would if at that stage, right, they would actually start deciding whether is it going to be good for them to start already, atau
Yeah, I think based on what Eliza told me, that if they already asked all these questions, if they are already looking at this content, they are already interested. So it's naturally the next stage should be to make an appointment. So what would be the easiest? So if it was me, the easiest would be I straight away want to talk to Eliza, if possible.
Okay.
So let's get them to get them appointment. Get them appointment, right? So convert them. Let's get them appointment. So in the meantime, I think Eliza would like to. In the meantime, would you like to to set an appointment? Straightforward.
In the meantime, would you like an agent to contact you?
In the meantime, would you like our consultant to contact you? Good question. I like it. Wow. Alright. Oh, you. No problem. Okay. Contact you. First name kat sini. And then we put here the first answer is of course yes, please. And then second one is maybe later. Never say no. Maybe later. Okay, great. Okay, so if yes, please, we want to send them to appointment, right? Do we have the appointment block already? Choose consult appointment, set consult appointment, choose try appointment, set try appointment. So let's choose consult appointment. Let's see what it is. Bawah, kan? Excellent. You'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Ali. You can do that. That's not Dr. Ali. What about set consult appointment? Sure. For number no. Choose trial appointment. Excellent. You'd like to schedule a trial session appointment. So it's not. So let's do another one, which is excellent. You'd like to schedule an appointment with Eliza. Okay, let's do that. So let's choose consult appointment. This one we can duplicate this because we already have this. Let's duplicate. So we copy, and then the same place we just click enter. Right? Then we're gonna have a second one. So this one here is choose consult appointment dot Eliza. And excellent. Right? You'd like to schedule an appointment with Eliza. With our consultant. So Eliza. Eliza. Okay. You can do that by either calling our office directly, or you can help, or I can help you book your appointment right here. So call office or call Eliza, or you can help, or you can might not do call, you can do WhatsApp.
I have a WhatsApp.
Of course, you can do that either by WhatsApping or by calling pun boleh tak?
Calling or WhatsApping.
Calling directly, calling or WhatsApping or WhatsApp Eliza directly. Here, choose from below. Put a little thing here. Boom. Okay. So here is instead of call office, let's do call. To office, the communication is going to be sama lah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, contact, say call is call, and is this number correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay, good. And then here, let's not do online scheduling, let's delete that. Let's do live chat, delete that. Let's do WhatsApp. WhatsApp, we do a URL. And this is the trick. You do www.whatsapp.me slash six, and then we put that number. What's the number? Actually, the www so no need. www.me 6. Yang tadi tu lah kan?
Tadi tu lah.
Just stop first. I copy here.
Oh, how do you do it?
I just open it up here. Call me tadi. And I just copy.
Okay, yeah. This is the one.
And then I put it here, and then I put it there. There you go. So let's have those spaces. Actually dekat atas tu pun patut jangan spaces and dash. So let's fix that. Okay, there you go. So now WhatsApp and then we're done. So WhatsApp, let's put something green. Menu over there so that I can see it. Okay, there you go. Okay, cool, done. So that's the kalau nak buat call, right? So let's reverse balik. So we want to get them subscribed over here. So when you're subscribed already, fantastic. In the meantime, would you like a consultant to contact you? Yes, please. So yes, please goes to choose consult appointment. So choose consult appointment to Liza. Yes, is the one. So we are saying in the meantime, would you like one of our consultants to contact you? So tapi dekat sini communication is different. Dekat sini communication excellent. You like to schedule an appointment. So we can either change in depan tu to schedule an appointment, or we can change this one to contact you.
Tadi was just to arrange an appointment already.
Right. So why not? Here's my suggestion. My suggestion is, dia kata, would you like someone to contact? I say, excellent. I'll inform Eliza to contact you. Then I can say, in the meantime, you could do that directly right now by the. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Then I'll say, excellent, Khalif. I'll inform Eliza right away to contact you. So, in the meantime, you can also you can contact her, or you can also you tell me. You can also do that.
Do that by either calling.
You can also contact her now.
You can. No, cannot be in the meantime.
If you want,
yeah, not in the meantime.
Yeah, if you want,
you can also.
Contact her.
Yes, you can also contact. Yeah, you can also contact her.
Bye.
Yeah.
You can also contact her right now. So now, by either calling or WhatsApp directly. Then you can change that. Great. So now it makes sense. Okay, but it says here, excellent, I'll inform Eliza. We need to inform Eliza, right? Let's inform Eliza. So how do we do that is, we're going to go down. We're going to add a block here, a card, send email. Okay? So there are many ways. This is the easiest way. Then later on we can do the other way. So title is, we want to, I have a template already. So let's put in the template kat sini. The template is admin, chatbot, CRB, licenses, hashtags. Here you go, live chat, gallery, user subscribe. Nope. Chat. My lead magnet. Advertising chatbots. Nope. Advertising. Nope. Or it's admin. JSON, subscribe, create, live chat. No idea. Already created this, but I can't remember where I put because there's so much of them, right? Licenses, no, lorem, no, sadly, social bio, no, useful links, emoji, shapes, emoji, admin. Yeah, we're getting some Burger King. You want anything?
Yeah, cool. No, it's okay. I think I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah. I think even if I sorry.
Okay. I'm getting for myself anyway. Are you sure? Dude, aku belanja ni.
Actually, just get me whatever lah. Any burger is fine.
Just get same.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Send email card to. There you go. So we have it here already. Then we can edit it, right? So kat sini is new buyer whatever. Just copy this, put it here. Okay. So new buyer inquiry. Just say inquiry. Correct.
Okay.
And then first name last name is that person.
But you can change that instead of new buyer lah. Can be something else.
Let's change it now. So let's just do inquiry.
There's
Inquiry.
new inquiry, new prospect.
New prospect boleh?
New prospect.
New prospect. Okay, and then email, let's put her email. What's her email? Do you remember? Can you just get it?
No, I don't know what's it.
Yeah, so you can put the email here. Right?
Okay.
So then put here new prospect kat sini, copy, and paste here, new prospect name kat sini.
Okay.
First name, last name, wants to schedule an appointment. They can be reached at phone. So we don't have the phone, do we?
So the phone is based on the Facebook lah.
Kita belum lagi dapat, so we need to get the phone.
Oh, how?
Ah.
How will I do that?
Okay, so you just remember to get the phone. Huh?
Okay.
They are interested in, so let's put here some information, right? So what info? Let's just put some info here. What info that we want to give her?
Okay, first.
So we put here, banyak-banyak sini ada, letak sini, inquiry form, kita letak betul,
Okay.
right? And then kita letak sini juga,
Diagnose.
semua kita letak kan, inquiry for, child gender, dan kita letak sini, apa lagi, child he she tak payah, child him her tak payah, child he she tak payah, child diagnosed, and then here lagi child diagnosed, answer questionnaire yes, user phone, user email, child age, and then put lagi child.
I think put the age above diagnosed lah.
Yeah, okay, move that down. Child diagnosed others just in case. Apa lagi kat sini ya?
So if you put child diagnosed others, if there's nothing inside, then it will be empty lah.
Empty, correct. See what other stuff that we want to put here. Inquiry for child gender dah ada, child diagnosed age. Okay, answer questionnaire use phone. Okay, good. Right, so far so good. Alright. So later on, what I would say is you go behind the scenes and go through the process. Look at the email, send it to yourself. Then you just put lah date kat sini apa nama dia to make it look nicer. You can say.
You can do a test punya email kat phone.
Let's do that. Okay. So now kat bawah sini details, first name last name, just submitted the inquiry type. So we want to put what's the inquiry type. So where do we put that? We put it kat atas sini. This is the inquiry type. User attribute. Kita tak ada tulis lagi inquiry type kan? Inquiry. Dia dash ke tak? Tak remember tadi inquiry type ke dash or what?
Dash.
Type. Copy that. Okay, inquiry type. What inquiry type is this? You can just name it whatever. Is please contact, right?
Yeah.
Contact them. Contact them. Okay, that's the inquiry type. And then we also want to via, which is the current block. So we want to put this current block name. Okay, so that we always know, oh, where did this come from? Put here, current block, what's the name? We just take this. A, can we copy? So we can always find it again. Oh, this is the current block we came from. There you go. And once it's set, and when it comes here, it will be current block. In business names chatbot. So this business name chatbot, so that you, if you're later on doing many businesses, then you will know how to do it lah.
Okay.
So we copy that one business name. Let's see. All this mula-mula doesn't look like I nak tahu, but later on, let me tell you, you're gonna get so many emails. You're gonna, oh, where did this come from?
Oh, okay.
Eh?
What's the difference,
No, you will not know the difference. Green apple equals therapy. So now you will know it comes from here, from hypnotherapist chatbot. It's a detailed name, so we don't have the email phone. We're gonna get it from it. Okay. And then kat bawah ni user segment answers. I would say all these things kat sini ni, you put down here.
Okay. So,
Yeah, you see?
So
see,
it's
user segment.
copy paste there lah.
Correct. Yes. Kat atas ni is just a glimpse of what it's just about. All the details letak kat bawah. Okay. So let's test it out. But before that, we need to get them the info. get the info from them. So fantastic, the stories, maybe later, okay, yes please, consult Lisa, and then I'll say, oh excellent, I'll inform Lisa right we contact you. But before we get them, we need to ask for phone number, right?
Yeah.
So let's ask for the phone number.
So we can get it from here. We start a new one right here.
Just add at the top. So before it comes here, we just add at the top. Okay. We just want to ask for some info. Okay. So what info do you want to ask?
First, their contact number.
Right, great. So let's ask for that number. So we go to the plus, as it told, user input, you can use that, or you can use user phone number. So you just click that one, it's easy. Okay.
What will I just inquire from their Facebook directly?
Yes, correct. So if you do that, then it's straight from the Facebook. So once they say yes, please, I want to get connected, we want to reply to them. Great. Great. Please share your phone number. And then we want to save it to phone. This is the standard, we always use that, phone and email. Okay. Once that is done, put a short typing, and then we want to ask after the phone, we want them for their email. Excellent. Go back there, use the email, and then save it in email. Boom. And then excellent. Then done. Excellent.
Alright.
Now we have that. So let's put your email. What's your email?
Faisal
Faisal ALI AZMAN at gmail.com. Awesome. So let's put mine also so that I can see what's going on. Email, Khalif, there you go. Awesome.
So you have more than one email, right?
Yes, got my
Okay.
email. Alright, wonderful. So let's test out that. So okay, before that there's a red kat sini. I don't like that. So if somebody says, maybe later, right? Contact you, maybe later. Great. Where do you want to send them? To always CTA. If you don't know where, CTA or main menu lah. Okay? Great. Warning, you can delete. Okay, let's start again. Test this chatbot.
So already saved. Oh yeah,
Auto
I
save.
see.
Okay, so let's